I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money to a Fidelity Youth account. We'll cover eligibility, various funding methods, and a clear, step-by-step guide. You'll also learn about important considerations like transfer times and any potential limits. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and easy to understand for parents and guardians. First, let's clarify who can have a Fidelity Youth account. It's designed for young people between the ages of 10 and 17. To fund it, a parent or guardian must link their own Fidelity account. Common funding methods include electronic funds transfers from a linked bank account, or you can use checks and wire transfers for larger amounts. Now for the step-by-step process. Begin by logging into your Fidelity account online or through the mobile app. Look for the Transfers or Move Money section. From there, you'll select the Fidelity Youth account as the destination for your funds. Simply enter the desired transfer amount and carefully confirm all the details before submitting. When transferring money, keep a few things in mind. Electronic transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to process. Fidelity does not charge fees for standard electronic transfers, but always check for any bank fees. Be aware of daily and monthly transfer limits, and ensure your linked bank account is fully verified to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.